gas prices jump. Electricity rates vary, and every car ad says their tech is the future. So, what should Americans actually buy in 2026, EV, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid? Let's break it down fast and honestly. Electric vehicles EV run fully on electricity, no gas at all. At home, many Americans charge for the equivalent of about $1 to $2 per gallon, and maintenance is lower because there's no oil, fewer moving parts, and less wear. Federal tax credits can still reach up to $7,500 for qualifying models, plus state incentives in some areas. But here's the turn. Public fast charging costs more, apartments can be tricky, and road trips still require planning outside Tesla's network. So if full electric feels like a leap, there's a middle ground. Hybrids never plug in. They use gas but save fuel by assisting with electric power. Think 45 to 55 miles per gallon, strong reliability, and zero charging anxiety. They're often cheaper up front than EVs and perfect for renters or long-distance drivers. But here's the flip. You're still buying gas forever, and you'll never experience full electric driving. What if you want electric benefits without the fear? Plug-in hybrids, PHEV, can drive 20 to 50 miles on electricity, which covers most daily commutes, then switch to gas for long trips. Many Americans could drive electric all week and gas only on weekends. The catch? They cost more than regular hybrids and require consistent charging to truly save money. Final verdict: what should Americans buy? If you can charge at home and drive mostly locally, EVs win on long-term cost and simplicity. If you can't charge reliably, hybrids are the smartest, stress-free choice. And if you want flexibility with a foot in both worlds, plug-in hybrids are the compromise king. There's no best car, only the best car for your lifestyle. And that's the decision that actually saves you money.